హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు షార్ట్ అండ్ హబ్ ఛానల్. నేను మీ హరినాగానంద్, షార్ట్ అండ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్. మనం ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా 150 వర్డ్స్ సంబంధించిన డిక్టేషన్ అనేది చెప్పుకోబోతూ ఉన్నాము. ఈ డిక్టేషన్ సంబంధించిన ప్యాసేజీ లింకు కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంటుంది. మనము ఈ ఏదైతే ప్యాసేజ్ ఉందో దీన్ని 80, 100, 120లో కూడా మనం ఆల్రెడీ అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఆ లింక్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కింద మీకు డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంటాయి. అలాగే మన టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో, అక్కడి నుంచి మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. మనం జనరల్ అండ్ లీగల్ ప్యాసేజెస్ అందిస్తాము. ఇవన్నీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి పనికొస్తాయి. ఎస్ఎస్సి, ఎస్బిటిఈటి అలా అన్ని పేపర్లకి మనం సపరేట్గా పేపర్స్ నుంచి ఈ ఆర్టికల్స్ తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే మనము ఈ షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ కోర్సు ఆన్లైన్, ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ ద్వారా అందిస్తున్నాము. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులు మన వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ నెంబర్ అయినటువంటి 9704455002కి వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ అనేది చేస్తే మీకు అక్కడి నుంచి పూర్తి డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది అందిస్తాము. ఓకే, గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ ది డిక్టేషన్. రెడీ, 1, 2, 3 స్టార్ట్. Questioning the judgment of acquittal dated 29/12/2016 passed by the learned 6th Additional Sessions Judge Anantapuram in SC 514 of 2013, the de facto complainant / PW1 filed the present criminal appeal. Respondents numbers 2 to 5, that is A2 to A4 and A6 were tried along with A1 by the learned 6th Additional Sessions Judge under different charges. Substance of the charges is that on 31/12/2012 at about 5:30 p.m. A1 to A6 having conspired went to the hayrick yard of the deceased and beat him with wooden plough, iron rod and pipe. In the said process, they caused the death of the deceased, thereby committed offences punishable under sections 120B, 302, 324 and with 34 IPC. Case of the prosecution in brief is as follows. A1 to A3 are the younger brothers of the deceased. They were having an extent of 8 cents of agricultural land situated near tollgate besides highway. In the year 1985, A1 to A3 and the deceased partitioned their land and each one got 2 acres of agricultural land. As there was no rasta to reach their land, they purchased an extent of 90 cents of land for rasta. A1 in secret got the said 90 cents of land registered in his name with the help of A2 and A3. Since then, there were ill feelings between the deceased and his brothers A1 to A3. About 1 month prior to the date of incident, A1 started construction in that place to run a tea stall, for which the deceased and his son PW1 took an objection, claiming share in the said 90 cents of land. A1 threatened them with dire consequences. Later, the deceased and PW1 approached the civil court, for which A1 to A3 bore grudge against the deceased. On 31/12/2012 at about 5:30 p.m., the deceased, along with his son PW1 and other family members, went to the hayrick yard for supply of fodder to their animals. At that juncture, A1 to A3 came there and A1 beat the deceased with wooden plough on the forehead of the deceased and caused bleeding injury. A2 beat the deceased with an iron pipe on his head and beat the deceased with a pipe on his stomach. As PWs 1 and 2 and others intervened and went to their rescue, A1 to A6 pelted stones on them and caused bleeding injuries. On hearing the Galata, PW3 and others came to that place and on seeing them, the accuser ran away. Thereafter, the deceased was taken to government hospital in a tractor and on the way he succumbed to injuries. Thereafter, PW1 went to the police station and gave a report. PW10, the sub-inspector of police, received exhibit P1 report from PW1 at about 7:15 p.m. and registered a case in crime number 115 of 2012 under section 120B at with 34 IPC, 322 and 302 IPC and issued copies of FIRs to all concerned. FIR is marked as exhibit P8. Having received the information, PW11, the inspector of police, went to the police station, perused the FIR and went to the government hospital, where he found dead body of the deceased in a mortuary room. As it was late in the night, he did not conduct inquest immediately. On the same day, he visited the scene of offence and posted a guard. On 1/1/2013, PW11 visited the government hospital at about 7:30 a.m. and held inquest over the dead body of the deceased in the presence of mediators. Inquest report is marked as Exhibit P2. he recorded statements of PWs 1 to 3 and others, and thereafter he sent the dead body for post-mortem examination. PW 9, Civil Assistant Surgeon, Primary Health Center, conducted autopsy over the dead body of the deceased. He opined the cause of death was due to intracranial hemorrhage, probably due to hit on the head by a heavy metallic body. He issued PM certificate under Exhibit P7. On 1/1/2013, PW 11 visited the scene of offence and recorded the statement of PW 5 and seized stones, wooden plough, 2 iron rods, blood-stained earth and control earth, which were marked as MOs 1 to 6 under a Panchanama Exhibit P3. He also prepared a rough sketch Exhibit P9 at the scene of offence. On 5/1/2013, he arrested A1 to A6 at the outskirts of the village near bus stop in the presence of mediators PW 6 and 7. After receipt of the PM and RFSL report and after completion of the investigation, PW 11 filed the charge sheet. In support of its case, the prosecution examined PWs 1 to 11 and marked exhibits P1 to P11 and exhibits MOs 1 to 3. When the accused were examined under Section 313 CRPC, they denied the incriminating evidence appearing against them. Stop. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీరు ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ కనుక తీసుకోదలిచినట్లయితే మనకు వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి మీరు మెసేజ్ చేసినట్లయితే పూర్తి డీటెయిల్స్ పొందేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.